guys, thank you for watching. This is my illustrations, and today's guide is how to create a pencil pattern brush in Adobe Illustrator. First you need to go on the file and click new, select the name of your file that we are creating and select the pixels, which will be 600 to 400. Make sure the units are in pixels, and if you click on advanced, you need to select color mode RGB, screen 7 to 72 ppi, that is pixel per inch, and preview mode will be default. You need to turn on your grid. Go to your preference settings and you need to check your units, as you need to make sure every option, which will be general, stroke and type, is supposed to be in pixels. Okay, so we need to create our first box, which will be in pixels. So choose the rectangle tool to create your first box. Double click on it. It will show you the size you want to create, and choose 15 and 35. Let's zoom it in, as we need to create a little box in it. The color of the box will be white. So make sure when you're double clicking it, the size will be 5 and 25 pixels, which will be carefully placed inside of it, and the color of course will be white. Okay, let's place it in between, and let's create another one which will also be 5 into 25, and it will be the back of the pencil, which will act as an eraser, and you will see it in the end. So this is the first basic shape of the back of the pencil. Now we need to create 4 black boxes of 5 pixels into 5 pixels. What we can do is we can either create new, or we can simply create a copy of it. Just press your shift key and drag down so you can create further copies. We need to create 4 more in between. The color will be white for it, and we'll do the same for the rest of it. Okay, for the next shape, it will be 30 into 35 pixels, and we need to stroke it. Okay, and the stroke size will be 5 pixels. So check the align stroke to inside button. Okay, and the fill will be white of that box. Now choose the anchor point tool and choose the outer sides of the box. Once you have done that, choose the direction selection tool and choose 15 pixels up and choose 15 pixels down from the right side of it. Now use the rectangle tool again to create another box. Just make sure you have the fill black and don't have any outline for it. And you can place the box inside the shape, the right side. Now select the 3 rectangles highlighted in the following image and simply drag them inside the swatches panel window to save them as simple pattern. Double click on this new pattern, rename it Start Tile, and then make sure you hit the cancel button. We need to do the same for the right side of the shapes. Just drag them into the swatches panel, double click, rename it End Tile, and make sure that you again hit the cancel button. Select your 7 squares in the middle, open the brushes panel and click the new brush button. Check the pattern brush box and then click the OK button to open the pattern brush options window. Name it pencil brush. Drag the scale slider to 40%, select tints from the method drop down menu and then move to the tile boxes. Open the Start Tile drop down window and add the Start Tile pattern from that list, and then open the End Tile drop down window and the End Tile pattern. Finally, click OK and you should find your new pattern brush inside the brushes panel. Now, all you need to do is to write or create any shape and just put that brush for the appearance of the pencil. Like in this one, let's type with pen tool. We'll choose the brush from there and voila, here it is. You can choose the color, whatever you want. So, like in this one, I've just used the pen tool to write design and just selected the brush from up there, and here it is. And now you have successfully created the pencil pattern brush in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you.